How to use MacroPoint Tracking. Step 1. Receive the tracking request. When a load is assigned, you'll receive either a text message with a tracking link or instructions to use the MacroPoint for Truckers app. Open the text message and follow the prompts. Step 2. Install the MacroPoint app. If you don't already have it, download MacroPoint for Truckers from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and complete the short setup process. Step 3. Allow location access. When prompted, tap Allow. Choose Always Allow for location access. MacroPoint recommends Always Allow so your location continues updating while you're driving. Step 4. Accept the tracking request. Open the tracking request, review the shipment details, and tap Accept. Once accepted, MacroPoint begins sharing your location with a broker or shipper for that load. Step 5. Start driving. After tracking starts, keep your phone powered on, leave location services enabled, and keep the MacroPoint app installed during the trip. The app automatically sends location updates, arrival times, and departure events while you drive, so you usually don't need to make check calls. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.